I asked a question about referring to God as a she. Now I use the term he, but just reflecting about people using the term she, and people then saying astaghfirullah, you're giving God a gender. And I said that God can be masculine and feminine. Now I don't mean that in a gender, I meant that in the term of energy, masculine energy or feminine energy or attributes. And what do I mean by that? Now take this notion of gender away from yourself. Stop thinking male and female as in a human being. I just had a thought, and the name Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, the most compassionate, is derived from Ra-Ha-Mim, and that means Rahim means womb, and this is like a manifestation of like the compassion and the mercy, and it shows in this world, it shows the maternal compassion and mercy, the womb bringing that child to existence, as in nurturing it. And the womb, and this is Allah to us, Ar-Rahman, how the womb looks after the child. Subhanallah, Subhanallah.